Today we're going to check out these top trending hair color ideas that you can rock in 2022. So with this first transformation, she does start off with blonde hair. And this stylist is Guy Tang. If you haven't checked out his work, definitely check him out. He does amazing work. His hair color combinations are absolutely amazing. So it looks like he is doing a rainbow inspired look with this one. Lots of pink and pretty purples. Nice ombre color effect with that. Absolutely gorgeous mermaid inspired hair. So pretty, so fun. Perfect for the spring and summer season. And then we head into our next transformation. This one is also by Guy Tang. So you know he's going to do some more exotic coloring with this one as well. So it looks like he's doing a purple turquoisey look. Oh, so exotic and fun. Such a fresh hair color, so beautiful. His color work is absolutely breathtaking. Yes, this is definitely a vibe right here. So next up, we have another video from Guy Tang. So it looks like he's doing pink with this one. Oh, gorgeous rose gold. So pretty. And rose gold hair is very much in right now. Definitely really starting to take off in popularity. Love this. So next up we have a look from Painted Hair. So it looks like she might be going platinum with this. Okay, it looks like they're just adding in blonde highlights. So not quite platinum, but this is still a gorgeous kind of balayage technique that she did. Beautiful highlights in the front. And then we move on to the next hair color transformation. So she starts off with a gorgeous haircut. Even the paper is pretty. I love when I see pretty foil. So she's going in with that painted technique once again, using the comb to kind of comb through the hair with the color. And it looks like she's also going blonde. Ooh, gorgeous kind of chunky style highlights. Very pretty. So this particular client does have gray hair, especially towards the roots. So it looked like she might be going with a really pretty kind of chestnut red shade. Oh, yes, beautiful kind of chestnut brunette vibes with that one. Very pretty. All right, you guys, so if you are interested in seeing part 2 of this video, stay tuned. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, like it, and I will see you in the next one.